Give the bread all man small.
Food now, woman I go give her.
After that big call, that baby will live beside you. Yeah. That your neighbor. Get that hand, that baby.
That girl my babe.
Now baby. Yeah, calm down now. You don't make that girl be my second baby.
Don't whine me. That girl my babe do now.
Baby, you get your own babe. Yes, I get babe.
No follow me. You don't want to argue like. Guy, get your own babe because they follow you. You get babe.
I get babe.
You get babe. I get babe. Meanwhile, as I dey like now, I get babe. I dey do girls anyhow.
Oya, call your baby, mo see. Call am.
Call am.
Call am. No, call am, mo see.
Call your babe.
You call am baby.
Call your babe.
Why on this noise? Call am.
Sunday morning, in the G.I.G.
No,
That's what you talk.
Call your baby now.
Guys, call am. Call your babe.
Relax, I'll call my baby. Call your baby.
Oh yeah, call am.
Call am.
Everybody call am, babe.
You go put am for loudspeaker.
Relax.
Call am now.
Collect the phone for me. Hello, babe.
Hello, Mackel. Mackel, why are you calling me by this time? I have told you to stop calling me in the afternoon. I'm in my boyfriend's place now, and you are calling me.
Babe, I'm the one who.
Who is your babe? See, call me in the evening when I'm relaxed. I will have time for you.
Guy, now this one be your babe. Oh yeah, relax. You don't fuck up. Relax. I swear to God. Relax, call your babe.
You call your babe.
Call your babe.
Call your babe. Put am for loudspeaker. Put am. Call am. Put am. You put am for loudspeaker.
That one na small, no dey hold my phone. The last speaker. The last. Hello, baby. It's Cruzy. CruzyWorky. Baby. Hello.
Oh, Ifeanyi, what's up? But wait though, this one you are calling me, hope no problem.
He shock you.
Babe, it's Cruzy.
I know, Cruzy Ifeanyi. But why are you calling me? Is it because of 2K you sent to me? Your mates are sending me 50K, 100K every day, every week, every month. Just because you sent me 2K twice this year now, I won't rest.
It's me, oh.
I'm not your babe, 2K is nothing.
This is insult.
Guys,
This is rubbish. Hey. I go call my babe. I go put am for loudspeaker now.
Call your babe. This girl say.
I go call am now.
Call your babe. Call am for loudspeaker. I feel what you make. Call am. All these girls, eh?
Hello?
Hello, baby.
Ajayi, what is it? Baby, since how many years? What is it? Why are you calling me?
Baby, calm down now.
Calm down for what? Since how many years? Why will you be calling me after 2 years? We have broken up since 2 years ago and you are still calling me. What's your problem now? Abu faking shake way for any. I'll slap you from here now. Don't ever call me again. Ajayi, don't ever call me again. I'm sure you are there now wearing that stupid agbada without your stupid slippers. Since how many years? Agbada that your grandfather dashed you.
Okay, see? God.
Oh God, what? Ajayi, don't ever call me again.
It's only me. It's only me.
Ajayi, phone on speaker. It's on speaker,
It's on
Abi.
speaker.
I'm sure you are with those two stupid friends of yours, Abi. Sitting beside that transformer as usual. If you ever call me again, transformer will my beer. Get out.
You stand there, I'll fire you.
If now me even beat me, it go dey better.
Hey.
Apostle, we hear of this. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Sunday morning, everything na small thing for my side. Shey you get babe? Yeah, you get babe. Na small thing. Shey you get babe?
Call your babe.
Babe say any day.
Call your babe. No dey.
Put am for loudspeaker. Put your phone down, your phone. Chill.
Call your babe. I don't even know where we go.
Put am for loudspeaker.
That's so people dey do. Call your babe.
Oh yeah. Hello, baby. What's up now?
Don't ever call me in your life. 2 minutes, man.
Hey, wow. Hey, You
You be mumu.
What's
Think say they wise.
Move inside, you come here.
Oh, I'm mumu not too much.
Guys, shut up,
Guys, they mad, you get sense.
You say your baby follow us, they talking.
I don't
I know
even
I came meet you.
I'm going to start for transformer. When that go,